We believe the oil cleansing method is key to clean, healthy, and balanced skin, and that several skin issues people experience can be significantly improved with proper cleansing. So many conventional cleansers, soaps, and scrubs on the market today are full of ingredients that can worsen skin sensitivities, cause premature aging, and aggravate acne. Instead of damaging the skin's natural moisture barrier with harsh chemicals and ingredients you can't even pronounce, oil cleansing deeply cleanses, purifies pores, and dissolves buildup and blackheads, all without overdrying. When you first make the switch to the oil cleansing method, it may take your skin about 2 weeks to 2 months to fully adjust. After removing any eye makeup with our baby oil, I'll usually use about 2 droppers full of cleansing oil. I'll warm the product within my hands and apply it directly onto dry skin, even on top of makeup. Take about a minute or 2 and work the product into the skin, focusing on areas that tend to be more problematic, such as around the nose and around the chin, as well as areas that tend to carry more tension, such as your jawline and your forehead. On the neck, I even like to do light downward strokes to stimulate the lymphatic system. This is the body's natural cleansing system, so these massage movements work wonders beneath the skin. Next, soak your clean washcloth in super warm water. The warmth helps to draw out dirt and grime to the surface of your skin. Press the warm, steamy washcloth onto your skin until the temperature cools. Take a few deep breaths and pretend like you're at the spa for a minute. Gently wipe away the product and impurities with the washcloth. Soak the other side of your washcloth and repeat the removal process if necessary. And pay special attention that all of the cleansing oil is completely removed from your skin, starting at the forehead and working your way down. That's it! Smooth, soft, fresh skin in just a few simple steps. To learn more about our cleansing oils and other products we offer, check out our website at primallypure.com.